Hi everyone, it's nice to see you again, and if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. Today we are coloring my hair. I got these amplified bleach from Manic Panic, and I got a hair color. I'm not gonna show you now, you have to watch the rest of the video to find out what color I'm gonna dye my hair in. So let's start with an unboxing of this Manic Panic bleach, amplified flash lightning bleach. Have the cream developer, little brush, gloves, instructions, and the bleach powder. See if you can see that. Oh yes. And a little bowl to put it all in. And that's about it, I think. I don't know what this is. Yeah, anyway, let's get to it. I'm just gonna mix this all together and I'll be right back. And we are done. It's quite a lot of bleach, but I'm gonna need it. My hair is getting long, so I think this is the first time in a video where I'm not wearing a hat or of some sort. So yeah, let's do this. Yeah, I wasn't gonna get naked here, you know. Ah, it was a plastic hat. I'm not gonna use that. I don't need it. These are the gloves. These are tiny. Okay, let's try this. Oh, I don't like the feel of plastic gloves. Are you ready? Just gonna mix this a little bit. Got some lumps in it. And if you're wondering about my tattoos, let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video about them. I'm not gonna use this brush. I'm just gonna dive right in here. Yeah, that's how to do it. Just gonna get these gloves off somehow. Gonna clean up the spill here as well. I think that's good. Ooh, it tingles in my scalp. I've used this many times before, so I'm not allergic or something. It's just, I'm not used to bleaching my hair. Haven't done it in about a year. But yeah, if you want to bleach your hair, check out Manic Panic. It's a really good brand. Not paid to say anything of this, but I have been using this for a long time, and my girlfriend uses this as well. It's a super strength bleach kit, and yeah, try it. That's all for now. I'm gonna let this set for up to an hour, I think, depending on how light it turns out. And after that, we'll put some color in it. I'll just cut it here and I'll see you in an hour. See ya! Whew. Yeah, that's it's pretty light. It's a bit yellow, but that's fine because I'm gonna add some color now. So have any of you guessed what color I'm using? Ready to apply the color that I want to use. Oh crap, I was gonna do something before I did that. I'm gonna show you a little trick I learned a long time ago, and that is to avoid getting color that stuck in your face. You get something like a beard balm, something that is kind of fat and like buttery, like this. I usually have this in my beard, and this is Beard Brother apple pie and vanilla, so I'm gonna smell really good as well. The thing is, I'm gonna apply that at the roots, just below the hairline, and that way hopefully the color won't stick if I get it on my forehead. It's a good trick actually. I'm gonna use this mirror over now. Yeah, I really don't care if I get it in my face because it doesn't do me any harm. So now it's time to apply the color, and I hate gloves. This should be my thumbnail. There we go, maybe. So the color I am using is Hot Pink Amplified, also from Manic Panic. I got a surprise with this one in a bit. I just have to apply it and yeah, let it do its magic. And I'm gonna show you something really cool with this color. But I'm not gonna spoil anything. This comes in a bottle like this, and it's just, you just have to apply it. It's super easy. This is a semi-permanent color. I don't have the exact number of days it'll last, but lasts pretty long. So look at this wonderful color. Or not, because you have to remove this safety cap. Let's do that again. Look at this wonderful color. Oh. Okay, this is it. It's so cool. I have had pink hair before. Can show you a photo right now somewhere here. That's me in a pink mohawk. It's from a year ago. I know some manly men, people, even women, they don't like me as a bearded man to wear pink, but I love pink. And if you love something, do it. I don't care. I did a video on that subject before Christmas. It was, I don't know if you've seen this, it's the beard ornaments people buy around Christmas. It's Christmas balls ornaments you hang in your beard, and everywhere in the bearded community they hate that shit. They think it's not manly enough. For some reason they say it's gay. I don't know, what does that mean? So I guess some people are not gonna like my pink hair, but then again I will probably not like them either. So woo, child, this is so bright. Let's see if I have to use all of this or not. So I think this is it. I'm gonna let this sit for maybe 30 minutes, and the next time I'll see you, it's done. So see you in 30 minutes. And we are done. This color is worked out pretty great, don't you think? Ah. Whew. Yeah, I like it. So, what do you think? Leave a comment, and yeah, do you think this suits me? I was thinking about dyeing my beard as well, but yeah, maybe not this color. Yeah, looks good. I'm gonna blow dry this and put something in this, and I'm gonna show you the special thing with this hair color. And we are back. Look at this. I look like a rowdy teenager or something. It feels so good to have my pink hair back. As you saw earlier, I did have a pink mohawk last year, and that's what I'm going for again. The thing I wanted to show you, I don't know if it's gonna work. I know I might have to film that with my iPhone because my Canon 80D had a hard time picking it up, but yeah, I'm gonna lock my computer here and I'm gonna grab you guys and we're gonna walk here. So let's see if we can get something here. I'm gonna turn this off and don't get scared. Let's see if we can get this to work. Maybe if I increase the ISO. Yeah, there we go. I'm using a black light, and this hair color actually glows under a black light. So I know it doesn't show very well. Maybe like this. Yeah, show my teeth. But everything in this room is lit just because of the black light. This black light might not be strong enough, or it's hard to see on camera. I'm currently at 25 frames per second, 4.5 aperture and 5000 ISO. This is gonna get grainy, but you'll have to do with that. It actually looks pretty cool. I look crazy. So yeah, that's my new hair color. Please let me know what you thought. Oh, the ISO is at 12,800. I'm gonna switch back to the regular camera, otherwise this footage is gonna look bad. We are back. I hope you liked that and the glowing hair. And yeah, I kind of like it. Please let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you for watching. And as always, please like this video and please leave a comment and please subscribe. And yeah, if you want, you can hit that little bell to get notifications when I upload the next time. Until then, see you next time.